Hi guys, this is the tire that I don't know, this passenger side of the tire. What happened? Look at this. I don't know what's wrong. This tire, I bought the new, and after a while, not maybe 6 months later, it's like this. Huh? Can you imagine? Look at this. All other ones are okay. Look at this. Like all other ones are okay. Very nice. The other one also, other side. Look, that's that's nice. Look, and this driver's side, fine too. But passenger side. Look at this. I don't know. You guys have any experience like this? Please tell me, comment me, that I can know what's wrong with this tire. Look at this. I got shocked. Alright guys, thank you. Bye bye.